Now, many of you have probably made this mistake as well, but George, I bet when you were younger, you got your mum to be the main policy holder for your car so that you could save a few quid.
Probably shouldn't be telling a policeman this, but yes, I did it innocently. I tried my mum, my dad, frankly, anyone I could find to try and save money. But why is this such a common mistake that people make, and what can they do to avoid it happening?
Now, this is what's called fronting, and fronting is where you get somebody else to be the main policy holder because that makes it cheaper for you to insure that vehicle, and you're not allowed to do that. You need to be telling the insurance company absolutely everything, 100% honest, so that they can give you a proper quote on that vehicle, because potentially what could happen is that you could end up with a void insurance policy, your vehicle getting seized, you then have to pay for it to be released from the pound, you potentially get points on your license, and you end up on the insurance fraud register, which means later down the line you're going to find it really, really difficult to get insurance.
Now, I think a very common mistake that people do make innocently is put in, say, their mum or their dad as the main policyholder in their car. They then disappear to uni and something happens up near their university. Then, of course, because they aren't the policyholder and they're far away from home, that, of course, means they're not covered. So what advice would we have just before this video finishes to make sure they don't have this mistake happening to them?
You have to tell them everything about you, your car, what you're using that car for. So just tell them absolutely everything, be 100% honest, and then you'll be covered in the event of something that you need to make a claim on.